Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hand sewing machine. First, familiarize yourself with the various parts like the needle, presser foot, and bobbin area. Ensure your machine has fresh batteries, inserting them according to the polarity indicators. Next, carefully thread the machine, guiding the thread through the tension disc and needle eye. Finally, wind your bobbin evenly and place it correctly in its compartment, ready for your first stitch. Before you begin sewing, choose a fabric suitable for your project. Lighter fabrics are often easier for beginners. Adjust the tension dial on your machine to ensure the stitches are even and secure, not too loose or too tight. A good starting point is often a middle setting. Always test your stitch on a small piece of scrap fabric first to check the tension and make any necessary adjustments before working on your main project. When you're ready to sew, place your fabric under the presser foot and lower it. Gently press the power button or lever to start the machine, guiding the fabric smoothly with both hands. Try to maintain a consistent speed to create even, professional-looking stitches. Once you reach the end of your seam, lift the presser foot, cut the thread, and tie off the ends securely to prevent your stitches from unraveling over time. To keep your hand sewing machine in top condition, clean it regularly with a small brush to remove lint and thread scraps. Proper maintenance ensures smooth operation and extends its lifespan. When not in use, store your machine in a dry, dust-free place, perhaps in its original box or a protective case. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check out the Oala water bottle mentioned in the description. You'll find a link there, along with other great deals to enhance your crafting experience and keep you hydrated while you work on your next project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.